Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Antibody action of papain on IgG molecules produces. So when there is action of papain, it produces. So if this is the antibody, so these are the two antibodies. So action of papain will occur somewhere here so that it produces uh, total three components. It produces two FAB components and it produces one FC components. So two FAB components and one FC components are produced by papain. Thank you.
thank you and thank you for watching.